Hey, my name is Benjamin Hayward, but you can call me Ben. I've been here for about 5 years. So is my brother, Byron. The thing is about the roof is that we love hanging around on it. It's the best, most iconic thing about SACS because it's so fun. A lot of people use it. My favorite thing to do on the roof is hang around with friends, walk, talk, run, play soccer, basketball. Soccer is the most popular because a lot of people use it. And canteen as well. Canteen is very popular because the food is awesome. Try the chicken schnitzel, it is amazing. What we're doing here is we're trying to refresh the roof because, you know, it's a bit old and it needs some revamping, you could say. So we're just trying to fix all that, make it fun for everybody to use, and it's not just a playground.